everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to practice more than 20 daily use English sentences. So if you want to speak English, watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. ତମର ନାମ କ'ଣ? What is your name? What is your name? ମୋ ନାମ ଅମିତ ଅଟେ. My name is Amit. My name is Amit. ତମେ କେମିତି ଅଛ? How are you? How are you? ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଅଛି. I am fine. I am fine. ତମେ କେଉଁଠାରୁ ଆସିଛ? Where are you from? Where are you from? ମୁଁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରୁ ଆସିଛି. I am from ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର. I am from ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର. ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ? What is this? What is this? ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବହି. This is a book. This is a book. ତମେ କେଉଁଠାକୁ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ମୁଁ ବଜାରକୁ ଯାଉଛି. ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହବ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଡେଲି ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ୍. ତୁମେ ଏବେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? ମୁଁ ଘର ପାଠ କରୁଛି. I am doing homework. I am doing homework. ଏଠି ଏକ ସମସ୍ୟା ଅଛି. There is a problem here. There is a problem here. ମୋର ଅନେକ କାମ ଅଛି. I have a lot of work. I have a lot of work. ମୁଁ ଖାଇବା ଖାଉଛି. I am eating food. I am eating food. ତୁମେ ପାଣି ପିଇବ? Will you drink water? Will you drink water? ମୋତେ ଡେରି ହେଉଛି. I am getting late. I am getting late. ଏହା କ'ଣ ଦାମ? What is the price of this? What is the price of this? ମୋ ଘର ଦୂରରେ ଅଛି. My house is far. My house is far. ମୁଁ ଏଠି ରହେ. ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହବ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିରେକ୍ସନ୍ସ. ଏବେ ସମୟ କ'ଣ? What is the time now? What is the time now? ଏବେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା 6ଟା. It is 6 PM now. It is 6 PM now. ଦୟାକରି ଏଠି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତୁ. Please help me here. Please help me here. ତୁମେ କେତେ ବର୍ଷର? How old are you? How old are you? ମୁଁ 20 ବର୍ଷର. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. ଏଠିକୁ କିପରି ଯିବେ? How to go there? How to go there? ସିଧା ଯାଅ ଏବଂ ଡାହାଣ ପଟକୁ ବୁଲ. Go straight and then turn right. Go straight and then turn right. ତୁମେ କେବେ ଆସିବ? When will you come? When will you come? ମୁଁ କାଲି ଆସିବି. I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛ? ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହବ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ.